Welcome back to Tech24, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're exploring the much-anticipated iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, set to launch in September 2024. Apple's flagship lineup is getting a major update, and we've got all the juicy details to share with you. First up, let's talk size. For the first time in years, Apple is increasing the display sizes of its Pro models. The iPhone 16 Pro will boast a 6.3-inch screen, up from 6.1 inches, while the Pro Max will expand to a whopping 6.9 inches from 6.7. Although the standard iPhone 16 models will maintain their current sizes, these changes signal a significant shift for the Pro lineup. Under the hood, Apple is pushing the envelope with its new A-series chips, designed on the cutting-edge N3 3nm node. Expectations are high for improvements in efficiency and performance, though specifics are still under wraps. A notable addition across all four iPhone 16 models is the Action button, introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro models, alongside a new Capture button for effortless photo and video taking. Display technology is also getting an upgrade, with the adoption of new micro-lens OLED tech for enhanced brightness and reduced power consumption, a potential boon for battery life. But the real game changer might be the Capture button, positioned for easy access and designed to make shooting photos and videos more intuitive. This mechanical button will support multiple levels of pressure, allowing users to zoom, focus, and record with simple gestures. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are not just about capturing moments, they're also about performance. With the introduction of a new A-series chip and a thermal design that includes graphene for better heat dissipation, Apple is setting a new standard for smartphone capability. Camera technology is another area where the iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to shine. Rumors suggest a 48-megapixel main sensor with advanced features for unparalleled image quality. Both models might also receive a tetraprism zoom lens, offering at least 5x optical zoom and significantly improved digital zoom capabilities. Connectivity is also getting a boost, with the inclusion of Qualcomm's Snapdragon X75 modem for 5G advanced support, promising faster and more efficient network performance. Storage options could go up to 1 TB or even 2 TB, with the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds. And with the continued transition to USB-C, compatibility and charging options are more versatile than ever. Battery technology is not left behind, with stacked battery tech promising higher capacity and longer life, alongside rumors of faster wired and MagSafe charging. AI capabilities are set to be a major focus, with iOS 18 rumored to introduce new Siri features powered by large language models, potentially offering a more intuitive and personalized user experience. And while there are whispers of an iPhone Ultra joining the lineup, details remain scarce. As for pricing, it's a wait-and-see game, with potential increases to offset rising component costs. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are shaping up to be not just incremental updates, but significant leaps forward in smartphone technology. Stay tuned to Tech24 for more updates as we get closer to the launch date. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for your next smartphone upgrade, the iPhone 16 Pro series is definitely one to watch.